What did you do?
Why is he calling you?
Because you won't take his calls. He knows I have your ear and he wants to know.
Know what? Okay, why is Jenny Randall?
Hello, Jill.
Why?
Shh. Jenny, is this you?
What's your favorite scary movie?
Somebody cares about you over here, you know? Someone who made you, someone who never should have let you go.
When you're done with a
Anything with an on-off switch should be off. That's the rule. Somebody want to share?
Jenny Randall and Marnie Cooper were murdered last night.
What?
What?
What's your favorite scare movie?
Shut up!
Yo, it's a news van.
Class is not over.
How do you handle it? Text you. And I'll prove it. Where is he? What do you mean?
Car's on fire. That can't be good. Oh, this is a bad fucking idea.
I could never handle that kind of attention. I just feel like it would take over me.
That's the view from my cell. It's really weird.
I think Olivia would understand, okay? She'd want me to be around other people.
A professional moment! Oh, I need to borrow that coat.
DreamWorks Penguins of Madagascar. Rated PG. November 26th. Only in theaters.
Nothing's gonna stop us. Hitting theaters April 14th. Rated G. I'm in charge here. Barnyard.
Are we okay?
We're okay. Rated PG. Starts Friday only in theaters.
DreamWorks Monsters vs. Aliens.
Rated PG.
March 27th. DreamWorks Monsters vs. Aliens. March 27th. Rated PG.